Hello, and welcome to Petrichor. This is a general message for the collective, one that we will call the Daily Rain. Let's get to it. Today is November 3rd, 2025. In the description box of the video is information on how to book a personal reading with me. There's also information on the other social media platforms where you can follow me as well. As it is with any general message, if it doesn't resonate, let it go. If it doesn't sit with you, it's not meant for you. One more, please. Thank you for your patience as I shuffle. I prefer that the message comes out on its own. In advance, I'd like to thank you for any comment, like, or share of the video. And if you could subscribe, that would be greatly appreciated as that helps the channel grow. We have 8 of Pentacles, 8 of Cups, 10 of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, and 7 of Cups. This is overwhelming. It's just emotionally overwhelming, right? Like but in a good way. In a good way, like it's like the sigh of relief. The situation that either you're found yourself in or you're going to find yourself in, is one of just abundance. Of just, okay, thank you. This is exactly what I needed, that I didn't know that I needed or wanted. And it shows up for you. This abundance shows up for you in the least, like I said, you didn't know you wanted, the least expected way. It kind of serendipitous. Like the universe cleared the fog away and said, here you go. It's what you've been asking for. It doesn't look, feel, taste, sound. It's not like what you thought it was going to be. But it is that and so much more. And it's just like this little happy, just sparkly joy. You hug yourself and you're like, thank you. Thank you. It is, it's a sigh of relief. You're going to be able to take care of everything and everyone, right? Because a lot of people have been helping you along the way to get to this Queen of Pentacles. A lot of people have cheered for you. A lot of people have prayed for you. They have thought about you. They have meditated. They have held space. They may have helped you financially to get to this point. But because of the way that you have shown up in your life day to day, the universe it's not rewarding you. Like it's not a reward. I hear the word compensation. It seems like what you put out, right, is finally, now that the fog has lifted, now that it's cleared, is finally making its way back to you multiple times over. because you are you are ready to receive. You are ready to receive. You were before, right? But it wasn't going to be as prosperous. It wasn't going to feel the same way. It you may have even um, been a little bit ungrateful, sort of like, well, it's about time right now. No, that's not. Everything has a time, right? Everything has a time. It unfolds the way it's meant to. And so now, now it's okay. Thank you. Thank you, universe, God, spirit. Thank you for seeing me and for helping me to see myself the way that the universe, God, spirit sees me. And you are now able to receive all of these blessings that were kind of on hold, right? They were they were pending, they were loading, but they're here. And so they say money doesn't bring happiness, and it truly it doesn't. But what brings happiness is the ability to see the abundance in the smallest of things, right? In the day to day, and how abundant we are when it comes to time, patience, right? Um, that we have connections with the people that reciprocate, that add to our life just as much as we add to theirs, right? That we that we have resources, that we have um, energy to deal with our day to day. That is a form of abundance. Yeah, this is you look at this and it's all the cups runneth over. Your cups, plural, runneth over. You are so blessed. It's beautiful. Congratulations. Your time is precious, and I thank you for tuning in. Come back tomorrow, like and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.